Hello guys, in this tutorial I'll show you guys how to install Elementor page builder on your WordPress website. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit the notification bell in order not to miss my upcoming tutorials. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So once you sign in into your WordPress website, that's on the dashboard, you simply go to plugins and click on add new. Once you are there, it's going to take you to another page. At the right hand side, you simply search for the plugin called Elementor. So that's it. Simply click on install now. The Elementor plugins actually enables you to It enables you to build various pages on your WordPress website. So after installing the Elementor, we are going to activate it on our WordPress website. After that, we click on activate. Once you click on activate, you simply see the Elementor plugin at the left hand side of your screen. So you click on it. After that, this is the Elementor plugin setting. So this is it. I'll simply go to one of my pages. So I'm going to click on one page and show you how the Elementor plugin works. So after that, I'm going to click on about us. I'll click on it. Once I'm done with that, I'll simply activate the Elementor plugin by clicking on it again. So this is the plugin. So you can simply create layers. With the layers, you can add images, letters, and whatsoever you want. You can do it with this Elementor plugins. So I'll simply drag. That's a subheading, that's a heading. So you can say about us. After that, I click on update. So I simply copy my domain name. Show you guys